Budapest and beyond! This was the chant heard in 1956 as Hungarians fought their Soviet occupiers and demanded they leave the country. And after several fierce battles, it looked like that worked. The Soviets retreated. They literally packed up and left the city, and this was a great victory, or so the people would think. Months later, with all the Soviets out of Budapest, there was nothing to stop a full-out bloody siege of the city. Mihály Kolodko's tiny tank statue on the Buda side of the Danube River points toward the Parliament building. But the muzzle of the tank looks like it's been deflated, or perhaps even impotent? Some have translated this to mean that the guns have stopped, so the tank is resting. Or perhaps it's just the fact that a simple call for freedom, go home and leave us alone, led to so much bloodshed.